Hello friends, welcome to the Examophobia YouTube channel. Today we will discuss daily current affair top news analysis 1st June 2020. So let's start. First one, Odisha, Sikkim and Mizoram joins One Nation One Ration Card. The Union Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Sri Ram Vilas Paswan, on June 1st, 2020, announced the inclusion of 3 more states, namely Odisha, Sikkim and Mizoram, in the scheme on integrated management of public distribution system IMPDS. Under this scheme, nationwide portability of the benefits under NFSA through One Nation One Ration Card plan is implemented to enable the NFSA ration card holders to lift their entitled quota of subsidies food grains from any EPOS enabled FPS of their choice anywhere in the country by using the existing same ration card after Aadhaar authentication of EPOS device. Next, the facility so far is enabled in 17 states UTs, namely Andhra, Bihar, Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, हिमाचल प्रदेश, झारखंड, केरला, कर्नाटका, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, राजस्थान, पंजाब, तेलंगाना, त्रिपुरा and UP. By 31st March 2021, all states will be added to One Nation One Ration Card scheme and the scheme will be operational all over India. Next one, second, Bentail scorpion fish first time in Indian waters. Scientists from the CMFRI Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute have announced discovery of Bentail scorpion fish first time in Indian waters. This rare species was found off the Sethukari coast in the Gulf of Mannar, which is Bentail scorpion fish, Sethukarai coast. Which coast? Sethukarai coast. Discover. Bentail scorpion fish, Scorpionsis neglecta, has ability to change its color and blend with its surrounding environment to escape the predators and while hunting its prey change its color. Unlike other fish species, Bentail scorpion fish uses its lateral sensory system instead of eyes to hunt its prey. Next one. Third, Pradhan Mantri Bharati Jan Aushadhi Kendra sells up to 100 crore rupees. On June 1st, 2020, the Pradhan Mantri Bharati Jan Aushadhi Kendra achieved sales up to 100.40 crores in the first 2 months of the financial year 2020-21. The sales were high as compared to the sales in the same 2 months period of 2019-20. Highlights: the Pradhan Mantri Bharati Jan Aushadhi Kendra have saved rupees 800 crores through the sales of medicines in the 2 months of the financial year 2020-21. The Bureau of Pharma PSUs of India BPPI are responsible for the success. It is the BPPI that implements the Pradhan Mantri Bharati Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana through the network of Pradhan Mantri Jan Aushadhi Kendra. Role of BPPI. Currently, BPPI is actively working to fight against COVID-19. It is maintaining adequate stock of medicines that are under great demand, such as hydrochloroquine, azithromycin and paracetamol. It also holds adequate stocks of hand sanitizers and face masks. BPPI also places purchase order of procurement of medicines of high demand to friendly country. Suppose then USA, Australia, UAE. Fourth, 1st June World Milk Day. Every year World Milk Day is celebrated on June 1st by the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. The day is celebrated to bring awareness and attention to the activities associated with the dairy sector. Highlights: June 1st was chosen to celebrated as World Milk Day by the FAO in 2001. This year the World Milk Day is celebrated under the theme is the 20th anniversary of World Milk Day. Most important controversy: World Plant Milk Day. In response to the celebration of World Milk Day, observance of World Plant Milk Day was begun. The day is marked on August 22. It is being marked since 2017, objecting environmental impact, animal abuse, health effects associated with dairy industry. India is the largest producer of milk. According to 2011 survey, around 70% of milk samples were conformed to standards set by the FSSAI, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. National Milk Day. India celebrates National Milk Day on November 26. The day is observed on November 26 as it is the birth anniversary of Verghese Kurian. Which person? Verghese Kurian. He is known as father of milk revolution in India. Father of milk revolution in India. It was his idea to launch Operation Flood in India. What is the Operation Flood? Operation Flood was launched in 1970. The operation aimed at doubling milk availability per person in the country. The operation also helped to generate employment in rural sector. Through the success of the operation, India became the largest milk producer. Next one, fifth. China objects the presence of US THAAD missile in South Korea. THAAD is thermal high altitude area defense. It is the transportable and ground based missile defense system. What is the issue? China believes that US is exerting its influence over South Korea and Japan. This may interfere China's long-term diplomatic, military and economic interests in the region. China has been reiterating its long-standing objections about the presence of US THAAD missile defense system in South Korea. South Korea versus China. US announced that THAAD missile system operated in South Korea's soil is a countermeasure against attack by North Korea. In 2017, the tensions in the region escalated when North Korea test fired its missiles in the direction of US bases in Japan. About THAAD. The THAAD is an anti-ballistic missile system. It was developed after the US experience in the Gulf War 1991. THAAD has been deployed in Israel, UAE, Romania and South Korea. THAAD is capable of destroying missiles by colliding with them. It uses kinetic kill technology to achieve this. Sixth number, PM Modi launched My Life My Yoga. On May 31st, 2020, PM Modi launched My Life My Yoga, a video blogging contest. The contest is to be conducted as a joint effort of Ministry of Ayush and ICMR. Highlights: the contest is being launched to inspire people to participate in the 6th International Day of Yoga. In order to participate in the contest, the participants have to upload 3-minute video on yogic practices such as asana, kriya, bandha, pranayam or mudra. The participant should also include the message how yogic practices influenced their lives. First, second and third prizes of worth rupees 1,50,000 and 25,000 have been announced. Yoga background: India has taken several measures to take people in India and all over the world to adopt yogic practices. India also took yoga to United Nations in 2014. A resolution was brought in, and International Day of Yoga is being celebrated on June 21st, 2015 since then.